Alright, so my people, I dey throw away plenty salutation this morning. As I say, once I go knack attention on top 9:45 a.m. every Wednesday, time don reach for the program Wetin Insurance dey do sef. The correct program wey dey give you correct informate. How you fit use insurance take arrange every of your paro wey dey reach your Wednesday morning on top Naija FM 102.7, the original Naija station. My name na Faith aka Madam Insurance aka Oluwafeto, looking hot since 1805. Like play December and show face, and everybody now has entered groovy mode. But they are saying one Omicron is somewhere, so we still need to be careful and all that. But anyhow it be, this Christmas we have to groove it. We don't show inside studio, and as I be saying, anytime we show inside studio, and they always show with full squad. Today, for those who follow us, they follow us the program regularly. Last week we come with the full squad of Afri Global Insurance Brokers Limited, and we say we go come for the return match today. They have come here for the return match of that program. Afri Global, they don't develop one correct ogbonge short technology platform where you go make life easy for you. You sit down on top of your car, inside your shop, inside your office, anywhere you sit down, you want to buy insurance, motor, life, every insurance you want to buy. No need to dey worry yourself. You just carry your phone, you download, do you collect insurance. Igbaga technology is at your doorstep. They don show today they wan give us more information onto the paro of the AfriCover 247 platform. And today sef we don talk as since last week, in the spirit of Christmas bonanza. Today we are doing bonanza on the show. Today, those way throughout this period, as we just start now, they hear their talk about this Afri 247 cover. Once you don download the app, begin do, and they go guide you how you go do until the end of this program. Baga free third-party motor insurance. You go say third-party motor insurance na 5,000. You know, so I don't tell you before, say the regulator, they know they say January they want to increase the money. Be wise and save yourself. Get free one wey go last you till next year. You don't get free. So listen, they will guide you. So this morning, two ogbonge bros na dem enter the studio for the return match. Oga Uche Kenneth will be head technical Afri Global Insurance Brokers Limited. Oga Uche, Monza.
Morning, no, my people. How on a day?
I don't hear Oga Uche voice. Today now he can't come with him calling, and this calling is a speaking English someone. But I don't already tell her before we enter studio today. You are on the hot seat of PG English. You will speak it, spark it, speaking. You will speak everything. Oga Wakeke Nnamdi wey be head IT na in office gone and then they do this platform. If they here also from Afri Global Insurance Brokers Limited. Oga she greet our people with full swag.
How on a day?
Use your full chest to greet. Don't fear people.
How on a day?
Alright, una don hear their voice. So Oga she as we don I don dey talk the arrangement as we wan go. Abeg touchlight am again. This AfriCover 247 platform. How does it come about? How can we use it? Tell us with full chest.
Una well done again. Oh, we don't come with our AfriCover 247. Last week we tell una more na download. If una download the app, put for una phone, then na be the first cocoa one I supposed to do there. After you don't download, then
after you don't download the AfriCover 24/7 on your mobile phone, then if you use your laptop, you go type in www.africover.com.ng. Then if you don't type and finish, you go see what they call sign up. Sign up, another meaning for sign up is to register.
Okay.
So once you if you click on sign up, you go see details like your name, your email address, your phone number, then password and confirm password. So once you don't fill up all these things, now you go now request you to confirm the password. If you click on confirm, a pop-up go come out. We go require you to put in an OTP. An OTP now one-time password.
Where they go see the
that OTP go enter your email address immediately your box immediately. So if you go to your box, you go see that why I talk say that email address they very key. If you go to your box, you go see the OTP. All you need to do is to copy that OTP, place them on the screen of the web page. If you place them on the screen on the web page, you confirm them. It will now successfully take you to the page that will require you to sign in proper. And signing in proper will require you to put in your email address and your password. So once you sign in, it will now take you to a dashboard page. The dashboard page na page where you go see my insurance, buy insurance, get a quote, insurance claims. So but since we dey do online insurance products, now buy insurance we dey interested in. And buy insurance now where you go see the 4 classes of insurance where you go buy, you go start from start to finish with no interference. And these classes of insurance now travel, safety plus, third party motor and term assurance. But third party motor na the coco na wetin won't tell you how to go about.
Now I
now.
get bonanza. Now I carry
So
bonanza.
now you carry the bonanza.
Okay.
So if you click on the motor, you go see third party motor. You click on third party motor. You select third party motor. If you select third party motor, fields go come out, and the fields actually get what they call customers details, policy details, and policy vehicle documents. The vehicle documents now where you go post vehicle information now where you go post all the certificates where you need from your phone. You go down snap them for your phone, like the picture of the vehicle and all that. Then the customer's information now the KYC. We go require you to put in your name, your email address, your phone number, your age, and that age they very, very key. The insurance company where you go use. So once you do that, you go click on what they call submit. Okay. Once you submit, it go automatically send you your certificate of insurance to your email address.
Okay.
So once that happens, it shows say you don't get insurance cover.
Okay. All right. So as we dey do the benefit of this bonanza where we dey do today now. So Oga Nnamdi, I go ask you this question. So number one, for those wey dey listen to us now, because you don already say 20 people wey they go start the process this morning before we go comot from studio, na they go qualify for the free third party motor insurance promo. So I want make you guide us. Step number 1, you go download the app. Whether they use the iPhone or abi they use Android.
If they use your computer too, you can still download, yes,
download.
by typing www.afriglobal.com.ng.
Okay.
If they use phone.
Okay.
If they use your laptop, sorry.
Okay. So once you don't open that play, you don't open the web. Wetin be the next year? I want make they take am step by step so that those way they listen now go benefit.
Okay, the next step now to sign up.
Okay.
So once you click on sign up, the page will go come out, go require you to put your name,
okay,
your email address, your phone number, your password, and confirm password, because you're creating a password.
Okay.
So it will tell you make you confirm password.
Okay.
Ensure say that password now the same as the confirm password because of password mismatch.
Okay.
And the password no dey alphanumeric. If you use figures, if you use letters, if you use anything, we just want to make it easier for our viewers, for the users.
Okay.
So if you put in anything, it will work.
Okay.
Then once you do you click on confirm.
Okay.
Once you click on confirm, a pop-up will come out on your screen. We go tell you say make you confirm OTP. Okay. And that OTP they don't send them to your email address.
That email, same email.
OTP, yeah. That OTP na 4 digits numbers.
Okay.
So once you pick that 4 digit numbers, you go put them on that confirm, that pop-up with there on your screen. Once you put them on the pop-up with there on your screen, it will now successfully take you to the sign-in page. Okay. The sign-in page gets where you go put in your email address, which is your username, and that password where you don't generate for yourself.
Okay.
So once you do that, it will now take you to your dashboard, the account where you don't create for yourself.
Okay.
And the account where you don't create for yourself gets plenty categories, which are my insurance. My insurance, they show you the category of waiting you don't do, the activities where they go on for your account.
Okay.
Whether you don't do insurances, where the ones where you never pay for, it will show you. The ones where still they pending, it will show you. The one where you don't start, we never finish, it will show you.
Okay.
Under my insurance.
Okay.
Then buy insurance will show you all the insurances where we they offer. Just name it, all the insurances where we they offer.
Okay.
They there.
Okay.
And the good thing about this application be say the application dey so intelligent that you go see both the one where you go buy online from start to finish and the one where you no go buy online from start to finish. So if you, it go show you everything. So the good thing is that if you click on anyone, if you know that category, it go direct you to what they call get a quote. Get a quote in another category.
Okay.
Like for instance, you want to do oil and gas. You want to do business in a business interruption.
Okay.
You want to do fire and special perils.
Okay.
It go redirect you to a package. To a category called get a quote. Okay. That get a quote, of course, needs an interference from our. So once you fill in the form on that class of insurance that requires you to get a quote, it will now take you. The mail will now be sent to our technical personnel. Okay. We'll go guide you on how to complete the. So now, so you buy insurance. So on that buy insurance, you click on motor, or travel, safety plus, or term assurance, because now these classes of insurance you fit start and finish online. Okay. But we did particular about motor today. Okay. So if you click on motor, it will take you to third party motor. Okay. You understand? Because if you click on third party motor, it will now come in with fields that you fill in. Okay. Part of the fields is your KYC category, where you will put in your personal details. Okay. Then after that, the policy information category, where you put the vehicle particulars details. Okay. Then the other part is where you now put in the pictures of your vehicle license. They will need you to upload those.
Okay. So you go just use phone, snap
and put them. Okay. So once you post it, it will now tell you to submit. Okay. So as soon as it's successful, a message gets to your email address. Okay. So that message is the certificate of insurance. The message where you go get now the certificate of insurance where you don't do, showing that the process has been successful.
Okay, so today now we don't say as soon as they listen now, those way don't they their phone, their laptop, you don't they listen. As you they go, the first 20 people wey go log on do this process today before we come up from studio. Now then go collect the free third party motor insurance. Alright, so my people, I see they throw away plenty salutation. If you just they join us the program now, waiting insurance they do serve the correct program where they give you correct information how you fit use insurance take arrange every of your paro where they reach your Wednesday morning out of Naija FM 102.7, the original Naija station. Today people from Afri Global Insurance Brokers Limited, they here, they torchlight the new ogbonge platform where they don create to make buying of insurance dey very easy. You know, say for this program don dey abuse dem say insurance people they are not innovative, they are not. Now innovation have come and they guide us. Okay, Oga Nnamdi, now you be the head of IT, make I dey face you. Now some people now fit dey listen, they talk say okay, I no get car but my mama get car. I want to use this opportunity to show love to my mother or my father because they get car. So let me just try and do this thing on their behalf. Is it possible to use this platform?
It's very possible. They fit even sign up using their own name. Okay. Then at the end of the day, do insurance on behalf of their parents. Okay. Like when it gets to that KYC aspect. Okay. You go now put in your parents where you want buy. Yes.
You know, say some go there now and now that they listen, they be oga for company. Now that they in charge to they do insurance of motor of company. So now they go just look say, this is happier way. They are doing promo. Let me just use this opportunity to do this promo for our vehicles. So the question what they ask, those are where they get like fleet of vehicle where they get like 5, 6, 7. They fit qualify. Somebody say inside this station if they in charge of that parole, they fit qualify for this promo.
Everybody fit qualify because na promo we dey do. Okay. And as you see my colleague they talk am, immediately you put it be like as him don talk am now, it be like a magic finger. Anybody wey fit run the app as him don tell them, we just automatically get him certificate. There is no restriction until after the show.
Alright, so my people, I see they throw away plenty salutation. If you just they join us, the program where they listen to now waiting insurance they do serve the correct program where they give you correct information how you fit use insurance take arrange every of your paro wey dey reach your Wednesday morning on top Naija FM 102.7, the original Naija station. Today we dey inside studio with people from Afri Global Insurance Brokers Limited, and they educate us, so touchlight us, they do promo on top their new technology platform, the Afri Cover 247. That one a platform wey dem don create to make buying of insurance dey very easy. You no need to comot for your house, you no need to comot for shop, you no need to comot from office. And the beauty, as dem don dey explain this service, say if you also get claim, you no need to go anywhere. From the app too, you settle your claim. That one you no go come say my insurance dey have claim now, I have claim, they don't want to pay. E no dey like that. Technology have come. Okay, Oga Nnamdi, before we begin carry our kaya comot from inside studio, na question wey I wan ask before, na this caller wey dey do and I don ask. You know, say if you wan buy insurance, no be only one insurance product na e dey for the platform, especially for third party motor insurance. E get many insurance. So how person wey e dey on the platform, how e go take choose or know the insurance company wey make him buy or make him choose?
Concerning the insurance company making insurance companies wey dey on our platform now, na 3 insurance companies.
Okay, just 3.
But we get plenty wey still dey try see say they go come into we still dey work out their issues to bring them into the platform.
Okay, but for now na 3 days. So for those wey dey do this motor this promo now for motor insurance,
3 insurance companies dey there for them to choose.
Okay, so they fit choose anyone from the 3
yes.
of those.
Then if they know they comfortable with the ones wey dey advisors dey too, there's a column where they put advise me. If they click on advise me, it go send them mail, they go send mail to us, so we go now call to let them know the insurance companies way they go want do. So
okay, so make I ask you this question, like somebody like me now, I don't get insurance company where I don't, they always follow since they do my motor insurance. So if I go the platform now and I want participate for this promo, I can't reach that. See say the insurance company where I don't they used to know they among the ones where they this Afri Cover 247 platform. So wetin I go need to do, and I won't win this promo, wetin I go need to do?
No, if you want win this promo, that class of insurance no dey for the promo because of the fact say na those few insurance companies wey dey, because na them get the platform wey go enable you win that promo.
The promo, okay. So
those other ones no dey, na them dey give.
Na then those 3 ways dey,
them go give you the promo.
The free cover. Okay, and the 3 said wey dey inside the platform now, as this man wey call us straight up, the 3 said they dey correct. All right, so my people, time have come. We are gradually carrying our load to come up from studio, and as we don talk from beginning, na only those wey don start the process even say dem no complete the process. But as we dey comot now, dem don already start. Your detailed information don already dey with Afri Global, so you go still qualify for the promo of the third party motor insurance. But after now, as we dey comot from studio, if you wan get more informate, more how you dey go explain the process to you, the procedure, you go call this number. Dey lis ten 080, you Oga Nnamdi, they call the number so that I will re-echo it. So
080 846 88 274.
Take it again.
080 846 88 274. The second number.
Yes.
090
935
70 442. Take it again. 090 935 70 442.
And the 2 numbers be that.
Yes. The 2 numbers be that. Yeah.
Okay, so as we dey come out from studio now, those wey they win this promo, because I know my people. Next week now they will come say, hello madam insurance, shebi you say we win free motor insurance come, and I did not win. The people wey win, first 20 people since when we start the show today, and as we dey comot from studio now na dem qualify the 20 people wey start the process. Even say dem start the process dem no finish am, na dem qualify for the third party motor insurance. After today of we don comot here, so if you call dem no give you free cover, use your 5,000 and pay for the motor policy cover on that platform. But those wey we promo na the first 20 within the time frame wey we take start the program and as we dey comot for studio. So and the number wey dem don give you, you fit call am, use am call, dem go explain more to you. My people, na dem go gba break on top the program this week. By special grace of God, next week we go show inside studio again, come touchlight another topic on top the parole of wetin insurance dey do. Say you never know, maybe next week now we just come and do bonanza of goat, bonanza of cow, bonanza of chicken, bonanza of rice and groundnut oil. You never know. Mother Insurance can spring surprise of goat and chicken bonanza. Just be on this workout and look at it. Thank you. Make una get better day. Don't forget to follow me on top my Instagram handle insurance_madam and our company owner Amon Finance. Bye bye.